In this video, I wanted to just go over some of the mods that I've done to my Grand Prix, show the condition it's in, and some of the imperfections. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here go my Grand Prix right here. It's the 04 Pontiac Grand Prix G. I'm just gonna do a walk around before I get into some of the mods that I've done to it. Of course, got the tail lights on there. Oh yeah, she look mean. So I had this car for about 6 years now. So I just been slowly doing some modifications to it. I'm gonna go over the outside mods or things that I've done. I'll start off with the headlights. Got these off eBay right here. So I do got the HIDs on here. It's the 8000s. So it's the cool ice blue. I did get this thing painted, but as you can see, the clear coat is coming up right now. This is actually only 3 years after getting it painted, but I do have a warranty on it. So for the most part, I'm just letting it peel everywhere that it's gonna peel. So when I take it back down there to them, then they'll basically just repaint the whole car, you know. So I'm just gonna keep letting it peel till I'm ready to bring it down there to them. Now brakes, I did upgrade the brakes. I went with the GXP fronts, so I got the slotted rotors on there, the dual pistons. Got the piston, I mean not the pistons, I got the brake calipers powder coated. Aesthetic red is the color. The rotor size is a 12.7. This is the Comp G, of course. Ooh, got some touch-ups here. I gotta get these pillars taken care of and this right here. But we'll get it done. No upgrades for the rear brakes besides the slotted rotors. Did get those powder coated too, the calipers, so it's still a single piston in the back. It's a little warp right here. I was having some brake issues where the brake was pushing in the calipers, so my rotors was, my pads were wearing out really fast, so I got to replace these. I don't think I can get it resurfaced, so most likely I'm just gonna have to replace that. First, I got these tail lights on here. They're smoked out too. They look really nice at night. I got these from eBay. They were 2 for $80, so it was an actual deal. Got the Supercharged on there, so when you hit that brake light, it lights up. I want to get this blacked out right here too. So I'm gonna show y'all at nighttime what it look like with the lights. Looks pretty sick at night, but for the most part, that's everything exterior wise. I do got to get this fixed right here. Somebody ran into me with a hit and run. It threw off my door, so my door is imbalanced, as you can see right here, and it's like a little gap up here. I got to get that taken care of too. But I think that's everything exterior wise. So I'm gonna pop the hood and let y'all check out the mods under there. I'm gonna start off with, let's see, I'll start off with these right here, the coil packs. I got the ZZP coil packs. I got the ZZP wires, which go into the spark plugs. I got the Autolite 104s on there. I got the shorter dog bones. Now keep in mind, this whole modifying this car, it actually started with these dog bones. So the original dog bones I had on there, the what do you call it, the bushing or the seal, whatever it is, it was broken. So I just wanted to just change that. And when I looked at the part online, I seen that there was a bunch of different other parts that I can upgrade on this car, and it was a wrap from there. I got a cold air intake on here. I got a ZZP front power log, which goes into the ZZP equalizer, and that goes into a downpipe. I have the TOG downpipe with the 3-inch exit on there. So I do got to get the rest of the exhaust done, from the 3-inch exit all the way to the cat back. So I did those mods, and which allowed me to downsize the pulley. So I got a 3.6 pulley on here. What else? What else I do to this car? Let me zoom, let me focus right here. There we go. Of course, I got the strut strut bar going across here. Is that all the mods? I think that's all of the mods for now, you know. That's it for now. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting out more content, more videos on the way, repairs on the way. So in the meantime, yeah, I'll see y'all later.